The mortal remains of General Bipin Rawat and his wife Mrs. Madhulika Rawat are at their residence in central Delhi, where respects are continuing to be paid non-stop for the next couple of hours. Wrapped in the tricolour, the casket of General Bipin Rawat and Mrs. Madhulika Rawat are at their residence for public viewing and for the nation to pay its final tributes. Home Minister Amit Shah was among the first to pay tributes to the fallen soldier. General Rawat's daughters, along with their families, including the Chief of Defence Staff's grandson, paid an emotional tribute to General Rawat. Other dignitaries included Rahul Gandhi, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, several members of parliament. Military personnel will be allowed to pay their tributes starting from 1:30 p.m. Following that, General Bipin Rawat and Mrs. Madhulika will begin their final journey from their residence to the Brar Square crematorium in Delhi's cantonment area at 2 p.m. The Chief of Defence Staff of Sri Lanka, General Shavendra Silva, is also expected to attend the last rites of General Bipin Rawat, reflecting the huge regional and international respect and admiration that General Rawat commanded. Has been with us through this very sorrowful morning as we've covered these grieving images of a united India paying its final respects to General Rawat, Mrs. Rawat, and to the other 11 souls who were lost in that terrible helicopter crash on Wednesday. Here you can see diplomats from different embassies, military attaches as well, calling on the residence of General and Mrs. Rawat to pay their final respects. The families on the right hand side of your screen, that is General Rawat's elder daughter Kritika with her husband and their son. He was the first grandson, the first grandchild and the only grandchild to General and Mrs. Rawat. Let's go across to India Today's Supriya Bharadwaj, who's joining me live, my colleague. I'll be coming to you, Amreen, in just a moment. Supriya is with me live from outside the Kamraj Marg residence of Chief of Defence Staff. Supriya, Rahul Gandhi, Harish Rawat, many dignitaries from across the political spectrum have been there to pay their respects this morning. A very sad and sorrowful sight to see, all of these persons as Parliament is in session. They've taken the time out to come and pay their respects to the fallen general.
Shiv, who's who from the political military arena are present here. You can see right now there are the dignitaries coming in. Also seeing some of the foreign nationals also who are coming here to pay homage to General Bipin Rawat and his wife. But at the same time, there's another scene that I want to show. He was people's general. Right now you can see a lot of people who have gathered here. They're just commoners. They've come here just to pay tribute to the first CDS. We will try to get in a word from them. आप यहाँ पे आए हैं श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए. क्या आपके मतलब को याद आता है जब जनरल बिपिन रावत जी की बात होती है?
जनरल बिपिन रावत जी की सबसे खासियत थी कि वो अपने जिस पद पर थे, सर बहुत बड़े पद पर थे, उसका उनको कोई थोड़ा सा भी अहंकार नहीं था. वो सब आम पब्लिक के साथ भी उस तरह घुल मिल जाते थे और अपने फौज के अधिकारी कर्मचारियों के साथ भी बहुत प्यार से पेश आते थे. और उनका हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी के साथ तालमेल बहुत अच्छा था, जो देश की फौज को स्ट्रेंथन करने में, मजबूत करने में, सशक्तिकरण में बहुत ही कारगर सिद्ध हो रहा था. और उनके दिमाग में बहुत कुछ चल रहा होगा और भी आगे, और मॉडर्नाइजेशन और इनोवेशन में उनकी सोच कहीं न कहीं माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी और माननीय रक्षा मंत्री जी के साथ मेल खाती थी.
So, यहाँ पर what I want to show here, Shiv, is this, that there are a lot of people who have gathered here. They are common people, as well as some of them are from the defense forces also. But at the same time, the main issue that the gentleman just pointed is what the even opposition leaders, including Harish Rawat, said: the modernization of the military. General Rawat had rolled out a huge plan to modernize the Indian military, and you can see that is the reason both from the political class as well as the commoners are present here to pay homage to General Rawat. We'll try to get in a word from some of the dignitaries who are coming here. This is the scene that you can see at the moment here. People have been gathered and media have been stopped here, but one thing is for sure, who's who from the opposition, whether it was Rahul Gandhi, whether it was the other opposition leaders, they came here, paid homage, a proper protocol was followed. First, it was the Home Minister, the government officials who came here, paid the homage, and then following them were the leaders from the opposition, and the first person to reach here was Rahul Gandhi, and following him was Harish Rawat and KC Venugopal and K. Suresh. We are hearing a lot of other opposition party leaders are also going to come here. But as far as the who's who from the political and military arena is concerned, there are also dignitaries who are coming from the international, diplomats also who are coming here. And at the same time, we would like to show you as to how the common people have gathered. I have just spotted two ladies who are carrying these flowers in their hand, and this is the line, and this is what speaks volume about General Bipin Rawat, that how he was people's general, he was an army officer, but at the same time, even Harish Rawat said that he was an army officer, but when you met him in your personal life, he was a very down-to-earth, true Uttarakhandi son. This is what Harish Rawat said. He said he was the son of the soil. Or Bipin Rawat, the thing he said in Hindi was कि Bipin Rawat का नाम ही काफी था दुश्मनों के दिल में दहशत पैदा करने के लिए. So that means that it was just the name was enough to ensure that the enemies of India are really threatened in a way, are afraid of the Indian armies. At the same time, I would like to आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जनरल बिपिन रावत के बारे में? आप यहाँ होमेज पे करने आए, कुछ कहेंगे?
Please, in English.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, you asked
What
me.
would you like to say about General Bipin Rawat? You are here to pay homage to General Rawat.
Yeah, it's very, very sad to hear about it. Actually, I'm staying here for UPSC preparation. Actually, I'm also a defense aspirant. So I thought after joining IMA, I'll meet Bipin Rawat sir, but it's very sad to hear that.
Well, this is the sentiment here. You can see there are these Vande Mataram slogans being raised, and at the same time there are people who
Can you show us those images? Can you go to where those people are shouting those slogans? We'd like to see that. We'd like to see the kind of fervor that people are showing for General Rawat.
Yes, Shiva, I would like to show you from here. We are trying to get to the other side of the fence because here the mood is really very somber. And see, this is how the sloganeering is taking place. People are shouting the slogans of "Jab tak Suraj Chand rahega, Bipin Rawat aapka naam rahega." There are many young students who have come here also, who are present here and saying that they wanted to meet General Rawat after they would have cleared their exams. This was the aspiration they had, that someday they will meet General Bipin Rawat, the first CDS. At the moment, you can see that the slogans have been being heard out. This is the mood here at the moment, where a lot of people have gathered here. Outside the residence.
Stay with me, Supriya. Stay with me.
ये भी बोलते थे कि मेरी बेटी और भी किताबें लिखेंगी.
हाँ जी, देखते हैं. I wish he was there to see this.
That was Ashna Lidder, a grieving Ashna Lidder, the daughter of Brigadier L.S. Lidder, who was speaking. We'll get you that whole conversation in just a moment. Rajiv Chandrasekhar, Minister of State, also here paying his respects at this time. He's a person who was a big admirer of General Rawat. He has great connections with the military as well. And Rajiv Chandrasekhar also there to pay his final respects to General Bipin Rawat, someone he counted on as a friend.